Can you dance? No? Skate, you gotta kick your legs, girl. There you go. Hey guys, Shadow Schroeder here, back with another one. Today's video is going to be sponsored by our partners over at Windbooster. Now, if you guys remember, Windbooster was a throttle controller that we installed on Church's car. But I'll tell you what, I enjoyed it so much. That installation was so easy. I loved the process, as well as the response that throttle controller gave us from Windbooster. I actually took out my old one, and now I'm going to be installing my new one from Windbooster. So if you guys didn't know, I already had a throttle controller installed into my Lexus. I love it. What a throttle controller is just quicker response for your vehicle. It doesn't add horsepower by any means. It just makes your gas pedal a little more responsive, so you don't have to press as hard. You could just give it a little tap-a-roo, and then all of a sudden, your just RPMs just go boom as soon as you just tap the gas. Just more response in the gas pedal. It's that simple. Again, no horsepower is added when you install a throttle controller. This is just quicker response for your gas pedal. It's plain and simple. But as I mentioned, I already have a throttle controller in the Lexus. The Lexus does have a little bit of a lag. It is an NA. There is no turbo in it. So it does have like a little bit of like a, you know what I mean? So I installed the throttle controller. I did enjoy it. It was a great install for that as well. However, as mentioned, once I added Church's Windbooster throttle controller, I just loved all the different modes. Like it had Sport, Sport Plus, it had a racing mode, a drag mode, which was cool. And then you have all the ones as well, like an econ mode to save you some gas efficiency. But the display was such a clear display, easy to read, unlike the one that I had, which just had numbers 1 through 9. So I'm like, okay, I'm on a 9. What is, like, does that just mean that I'm going fast? But just being able to just press Sport, I know I'm in Sport mode. Just press Sport Plus, I know I'm getting a little more oomph. And then if I want to be in the drag, then I could just, you know, sit still and just go. That's why I decided to install Windbooster on my vehicle. All right, so we're gonna do a quick little unboxing of this. So this is the box that it comes in. You got your QR codes to download the app, Bluetooth compatible Windbooster right there. Definitely tells you what serial number you have. Pretty simple box, nice and easy. So we're gonna open this up. Inside, you're going to have the throttle controller itself. Just pops out right here. It's this little guy right here. Has a clear plastic on it, so I'm not worried about that little piece of dirt right there. But it's got the 2 different modes right here, so you can switch between like your sports, Sport Plus, stuff like that. Clear display, and it already has the sticky on the bottom, which is really nice. So you just peel this off and stick it wherever you want, which is cool. And then underneath is going to be the instructions. We don't need the instructions. It's that much of an easy install. I mean, I could do it, so I'll show you exactly what it's like. Next is going to be zip ties. They give you 2 zip ties, so you can do some cable management. And then this is it, guys. So this is going to be what plugs into the gas pedal. And then this is what's going to plug into the car. So on top of the gas pedal, you're going to see a black plastic like knuckle, almost. Like say this is your gas pedal. You're gonna see like a black plastic knuckle. And then on top of that is going to be a little wire that you disconnect. And then you're going to plug this one right here into the gas pedal, and then this is going to be plugged into the wire that came out of the pedal, which goes into the car. And then you just cable manage this however you want, and then this guy goes into here, nice and simple, USB, boom, 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 done. And then that's it, guys. The install is that easy. So I'm going to show you that real quick on my. The only other thing that you're going to need for this install, if you're old like me, is going to be a knee pad, because getting down on your knees is a little rough. So obviously cable management is going to be different from car to car. So I'm actually going to feed mine on my 2018 Lexus IS. I'm going to actually feed mine just under the steering column right here. Feed it down, and then it's going to pop out the other side just like this. And then I'm actually going to run this wire through this canal up top and then come down. I already took off this leather trim. And I'm just gonna run it here. And my goal is probably to stick it back where my other throttle controller was, which was right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you where the nut. All right, guys, I'm gonna do this the best I can. So this is the top of my gas pedal right here. This is the black knuckle I was telling you about. Every pedal has this. It's basically like almost like a govern that basically says, hey, you know, he pressed the gas, give this a delay. That way you don't run into like walls and shit. So there's like a 2-second delay. And then up top here is the plug that you're going to unplug for the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this in one take. Don't mind me. Okay, that's simple. So it's already unplugged. Boom, you're already halfway done with this install. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so now I plugged in this guy right here. So this is part of the throttle controller, the Windbooster. I plugged that into the one that we just took off of the pedal, so that's done. And then the other side is going to be the part that goes back into the pedal. Let's go ahead and try to do that in one take. Hard to do this while holding a camera. Usually I have EJ or Roger do all this, but it's that simple. I don't even need them. Okay. Just feel it out. 50-50 shot that I just got wrong. I'm gonna twist it. Boom. You hear that click? Look at that. And technically speaking, she's already installed. Isn't that simple? So now I just gotta run the wires, make her all cleaned up. I'll show you guys all that part, but let me go ahead and do what I gotta do and I'll show you the aftermath. So now we're sitting in the chair. So this is the wire that I ran through the column. I'm going with a tuck it in there, try to run it through that channel, just kind of like that. And then I'm gonna tuck it behind this leather trim, feed it up, and then that's pretty much it. These extra wires here, you guys don't have to worry about these. That is for my daughter's seat cover or camera. So I have a little camera installed right there for when she's in the car seat so I can watch her. A lot of people ask me, they're like, oh, is that a boost gauge? Pff, of course it's a boost gauge. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this up a little bit and I'll show you guys the aftermath. So leather trim is back in. Again, yours is probably gonna sit a little bit more flush than mine, just due to the fact that, like I said, I have my daughter's booster seat camera. So mine sticks out a little bit, which is fine, you know, being a girl dad. So I ended up actually putting it here, which I thought was a little bit better than here, because the reason why I didn't have it here was because then the wire kind of like bowed out. So I put it down there and I just fed the wire just underneath this panel here. So over time the wire will lay flat, so I'm not too worried about it just creasing out just a little bit right there, which is fine. Over time that'll flatten out. But look at that, that's nice and clean, nice and simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one of these bad boys, which everybody loves. Oh, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start her up. So nice clean display right there. So let's go ahead and zoom in. We're in normal right now. So let's go ahead and do sport. There's sport plus, race, drag, auto. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't read the directions. I'll be honest with you guys. Valet. I'm guessing it keeps it at a certain speed, which is kind of cool. A-slip beats me. Econ, obviously fuel efficiency, and then we're back to normal. So how you guys know the Windbooster is working, or your throttle controller in general, is give it a little bit of gas and you'll see the RPMs change. So let's go ahead and try. So right now I'm in normal mode. I'm gonna give it some gas. Okay, nice and simple. Went straight to Sport Plus on this one, so let's go ahead and try Sport Plus. All right, so nothing I hate more than a YouTuber lying. So I'm just gonna put my car in sport mode. We're in sport mode now, just normal sport mode. Oh, and then we're in normal mode on the Windbooster. So I'm gonna just casually just drive this around so you guys can hopefully see a difference. Pay attention to the RPMs. Don't pay attention to anything really else. So I'm gonna be in sport mode. So let's go ahead and drive this thing. All right, so that was normal in sport mode. Sport mode for the car, normal on the Windbooster, throttle controller. As you guys know who own this car, you know damn well as I do that this car is quick. It just needs that little off the line, you know what I mean? Like just that little boom, and that's what the throttle control is for. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys Sport next. Then I'm gonna show you Sport Plus. And then after Sport Plus, we're gonna do race mode. And I'm gonna tell you which one I think is going to be my favorite, more of your day-to-day driving. I'm gonna say Sport Plus is probably gonna be my favorite, but let's go ahead and check you out on Sport mode. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So the last time I did, see this smile? The last time I did a throttle controller video was in Church's 1.5. Now I'm in the 3.5 V6, and sport mode's got some kick. Sport mode plus might be overkill. I might lie. I might think that sport mode might be my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and do sport plus right now. Yeah. Okay, I take it back. Sport Plus is definitely my favorite. That knocked me back into my seat, man. That was nice. Oh god, I forgot how much I love the throttle controller. It's so necessary in this car. It really is. Just to get that pickup that you're looking for. That just this car lacks, you know. So when I have a moment, there's a lot of traffic, I'm gonna try race mode. So I'm currently driving in race mode. This is race. I'm currently just driving casually, and like you could tell, like my car just wants to go. Like I'm not even touching the pedal, and it's just like it wants to go. This is gonna be fun. Okay, race is fast as fuck. That's fast as fuck, boy. Yeah, race is overkill. Sport Plus is the winner for day-to-day driving. That was too much. I almost dropped my phone. But yeah, that's really nice. Side note, A-slip, anti-slip. Okay, yeah, if you want your own Windbooster, you guys could use our code Shadow10 for 10% off. Yeah, definitely do it. Also, Shadow, why are you so sunburned? Because it's 4th of fucking July, man. I'll tell you, okay?